Hey. Good to see you. Come on in, let's go. Yeah! Let's go! All right.
Hello club members. We are showing you exactly how to use a combination lock. What you do, you get a 4-digit code, 4 numbers, usually will be changed. When those numbers are applied in the manner shown to you and they're lined up with the little hash marks, that lock will open, as our demonstrator will show you. And you gently lift up and voila, you have an open lock. Now go in reverse to close the lock. Change the combination so those cheaters and liars do not try and get into the track. Look at that, secure, just like Lance Burton. Thank you very much.